guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another trunk club. So this time I asked for some, seasonal change-ups. So she sent me a bunch of sweaters and I'm still on the hunt for a leather jacket. Faux leather, but you know what I mean, like a motorcycle leather jacket, and a couple of shoes. I had asked for some booty type slippers that I could also wear outside, and I guess she said that she couldn't find any of those, so she sent me some Uggs, and here are the ones that she sent me, and I don't like these at all. These are just not my style, like, not at all. I mean, yes, you can wear them outside, you can wear them around the house, they're nice and fuzzy and soft and comfy and wintry. They're just not my style at all. So, she did the best with what she had. So anyway, not a super big fan of those. And then she sent me these booties that are super cute. They're like a suede material with this gold zipper. It's kind of a chunky zipper, which I like. And the heel is tapered, which is super cute. It's not a block heel. And it has the peep toes though. And these are the kind of toes that where my spider toes creep out and try to grab people. Okay, maybe my toes aren't that bad, but that's what it feels like because I have super long toes. So I'm not sure how I feel about this, because other than that, I love these. I love the detail on them. Can you see like the stripes in here? I love the detail on these. I think they're super duper cute. I'm just not sure that I love them on me. I don't know, I'm on the fence, so let me know. What do you think? Are my toes that bad? Okay, and then she sent me 3 leather jackets, and I love all of them. So this one is from Levi, and I love the material. It's all faux leather, but this one is more of like a rugged, kind of rough leather, and it feels a little bit thicker, a little more sturdy. It's got some good details on it, just in the cut, and it's got these giant zippers on the side that are kind of funny, like you could, I don't know, fit an iPad in your pocket. The collar is cute. It's like a half collar, but you can flip it out to give yourself some lapels, but I don't know that it's meant to do that because it really just wants to sit up, which is fine. This one is less tapered at the waist, but I still really like it. So let me show you all 3 of them and then you guys can help me decide. Both of the next 2 are from BLANKNYC. This one has gold hardware on it, which I don't know how I feel about the gold. I mean, I don't dislike gold for any reason, but and I didn't take the tape off because just in case I don't keep it, I didn't want to, fully unravel it. You can see what the zippers look like. But anyway, this one does have the full collar. It's got, pretty wide lapels, and it's got like the zipper that layers over. This one was really cute. This one also feels pretty heavy duty in that it's not quite as heavy duty feeling as the Levi one, along that same level, and they all have the zippers on the sleeves. And this one feels a bit snugger than the Levi one. It's not tighter, like it's too small. It's more like tapered kind of a thing. And then this one I am so in love with. It's green, but it's so beautiful. And this one, the leather is very soft. This is the kind of thing that I'm a little afraid will get torn easily because it's so soft, but it's so pretty. And this just dark jade emerald, I don't know what kind of green this is. It's gorgeous though. I love it. Isn't it so beautiful? And this one fits really nicely. I love the pocket details. So it has the 2 regular pockets on the side, and then it has this zipper up here that's a faux. It's not a real pocket. It's just, sort of zippers for fun. It's so pretty. I love it so much. So, okay, so those are the 3 jackets that she sent me. I'm really having such a hard time deciding which one to keep. I don't know, maybe I can talk myself into keeping a green one and one of the black ones. I can't keep all 3 though, that's too much. I asked for some distressed jeans and she sent me some. She sent me like a regular blue jean pair and then a black pair. But you guys, I couldn't even get these on. They're way too tight. And they're high-waisted and I don't know. I couldn't get them on, so not keeping those ones, and I'm not sure if I even want to bother trying to exchange them for a larger size just because they're high-waisted, and I generally speaking don't like high-waisted jeans. But she sent me a bunch of cute tops. This one is like a lacy camisole tank, the kind that kind of looks like pajamas, but it's this beautiful velvety color. Isn't this just a gorgeous color? And it's the kind of thing like with the holidays coming up and this time of year, it's so pretty and could be a good holiday shirt, but it also kind of looks like lingerie. You know, the lace on this is so big. I feel like if it had smaller lace detailing, I might like it better. I like the Racerback straps, and they are adjustable. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence about this one too, because I feel like I kind of like it, but I'm not sure. I don't know. This one is, it's like, I don't know how to describe this material because it's kind of thick, but it's stretchy, but it's not like normal stretchy. It's ribbed stretchy, like tiny ribs in here. I mean, that's what it is. It's like tiny ribs that stretch out, but then like want to squeeze back together like an accordion. And it looks like a very plain black shirt, except for this little overlay and cutout right here, which I kind of love. It's very simple but unique, you know, and I love that sort of thing. I love cutouts and just a smattering of something decorative, or, you know, just something to make it unique. And this is Vince Camuto, and it feels like a really nice quality sweatshirt. So I think I might keep that one. This one is a turtleneck. I wish that I liked this more than I do. It's by 1901. I love the way turtlenecks look with my short hair, but it's very thin and the material is kind of scratchy. Like where this one just feels very nice and luxurious. You know, it just feels like a nice material. This one feels super janky. It's cute enough. It's just, I don't know. And then this one I love. It's again with the super simple, but I love the stripes, and then with the buttons in the back. I totally had to double check to make sure that those were actually the back. See, there's the tag, there's the buttons. But with my short hair, you can actually see the buttons. If I still had long hair, they would probably always be covered unless my hair was in a bun. Let's face it, my hair was always in a bun when I had long hair. But anyway, I love this. And this is the same company, 1901, but this material is very soft and it feels again like a nice, well-made kind of a thing. So I love this one. And that's it. That's everything she sent me. So I definitely think that I want to keep these two sweaters, probably not the turtleneck. On the fence about the velvety one and the peep toe shoes, and you guys have to help me with a leather jacket. What do you think? Which one looked the best? Because I'm having such a hard time with this. All right, leave me your comments. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!